Welcome, here I've got ARCHOS Diamond Gamma and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we pick this button we get access to more options about the camera we can manage, and now let's focus on more settings. By tapping on this button we get access to the camera settings. As you can see, we have the basic and the advanced settings. Now let's stay on the basic settings. At the first place here we have the mirror mode, so by tapping on this button we can turn it off and turn it on like that. This is how it works here. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.